we have given that mod x minus 2 is equal to mod 7 minus 2. Then we have to find the value of x. So mod x minus 2 is equal to mod 7 minus 2, and mod x minus 2 is equal to mod 7 minus 2 is 5, and mod x is equal to x if x is positive. So mod x minus 2 will be equal to mod 5 will be 5, and if mod x is equal to a, then x is equal to plus minus a if a is positive. So here x minus 2 will be equal to plus minus 5. So x minus 2 is equal to 5, and x minus 2 is equal to minus 5, and here x will be equal to 5 plus 2, so x is 7, and here x will be equal to minus 5 plus 2, so x will be minus 3. So x is 7 and minus 3.